Hi everyone. So finally, the circular is out by the CISC board stating that you'll have two term examinations, that is first semester and second semester examination. In the first term examination, you'll have multiple choice questions, and in the second term examination, you'll have theory based questions. So I'll tell you when they will be conducted and what questions can you expect, what kind of questions. So let's look at this circular. Okay, so you very well know that the reduced syllabus for the CISC 2022 examinations is available on the CISC website under the publications section. So you have to go through the reduced syllabus and you have to only do that part. Please do not jump up to those topics which are not in the syllabus. Exceptions are like if you're preparing for NEET or JEE, then you have to cover the entire syllabus. Now comes the division of the academic session 2021 to 22 into two semesters. The academic session 2021 to 22 will be divided into two semesters with approximately 50% of the syllabus being covered in each semester. That is, you'll have a semester examination and 50% syllabus will be covered in that, and the next 50% will be covered in second semester. The reduced syllabus for ICSE and ISC for the examination year 2022 has accordingly been bifurcated and units or subunits to be covered in each semester specified clearly. The semester revised bifurcated theory syllabus for classes 10th and 12th is available on the CISC website under publications. Coming to the first semester examination, the first semester examination will be conducted in November 2021 and will be based on the syllabus, that is the reduced syllabus. For first semester, you can expect all multiple choice questions, and this examination will be conducted online. Yes, it is clearly stated that the examination, that is the first term examination, will be conducted online. Moving on to the second semester examination, it will be conducted in March or April 2022 and it will also be based on the reduced syllabus. Now what about what will be the mode of conduction of examination? So it is online or offline depending upon the situation that time. If the cases are increasing, then they'll not conduct it offline, they'll conduct it online, but everything is fine, so they'll conduct it offline. Now question papers for each semester examination will be of 80 to 100 marks for ICSC and 70 or 80 marks for ISC as per the maximum marks currently allocated for the theory component of the subjects. Now talking about the practical and project work. Talking about practicals, I would say if everything is fine that time, if the cases are handled, so they'll have their practical examination. I'm talking about 12th class. You'll have your practical examination and the same procedure will be followed. That is, the examiner, they'll be coming to your schools and then you'll do the practicals. Talking about project work or internal assessment, schools will be required to ensure that all candidates finish the stipulated practical or project work internal assessment as specified in the ICSE and ISC reduced syllabus. So one thing I want to tell you is that you have to submit your practicals, your internal assessment, whatever project work is allotted to you, because grades matter a lot in that part also. You'll get 20 to 30 marks in your project work. So please do it very carefully and try not to delay in submission. So that is all. I'll also tell about 9th and 11th class that CISC will not conduct examination for them like previous year, and back to back the board gave the examination, the question papers. So this year the schools will only provide the question paper to the classes of 9th and 11th. Thank you for watching the video. In case you have any doubt, you may ask me in the comment section.